Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over the process in which you would be able to remove this door panel or this interior door panel to be able to get to your window regulator and to replace your window regulator and anything else that you need to replace back here, being the door lock inside and outside, and this is how you would get into that. Also, if you need to replace this shock piston for soft closing, this is how you would get into there too. And number one, we are going to have to undo this to be able to get this door panel to come off. It's 11 or a particular star bit, but 11 socket will work. So that's free and loose in there. So when we able to pull this thing in, okay. Now we got to go work. Well, first let's undo the electrics. So we got to undo all these electrics. Just undo the connectors. So that's all undone, and this last grommet just gives more some space. There'll be some electric connector we can undo inside there. That's all done. Now we'll just work our way around and undo these T25 screws all the way around, and then we should be able to just pull this thing right off. This panel doesn't go through and do anything except that it covers, when it's installed, it hides a screw that's here and these two screws behind it. So you got to remove that. I also have pulled out the ram here, which the gas closure to close your door. It was just a big 11 bolt you undid here. And then you just pop this piece off, just use a good screwdriver and just kind of ease it off of this little nipple there, and then just pulled it all the way out through that hole there. And so to finish getting this inner portion off, I have gone ahead. There were some rivets here. I ground them off and drilled them out and popped them off, because behind here is all the contraption for your door lock latch, and it's attached to this. And unless you can get everything to come undone, you can take it all at once, you can't. I believe these, had to remove these via a drill and a grinder. And then I took this grommet off, as well as the lock, or pushing this one through. And I just undid all these electrics from that big electric module box. I'm just going to stuff it all through this hole to be able to remove everything, because it's getting in the way. Because of the back door panel. So that's how you get to your window regulator, to be able to get in there to replace your window regulator on your SL550 or any most likely any S-Class motor, or S-Class Mercedes-Benz. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.